Auction bought. Low mileage. Runs. Might drive. But got a little bit of damage. Not much.
So I painted this car, matching paint, with the code of the VIN on the car, so car paint and all that was match spec. But here's what you don't do. It's a light blue car, and the body parts that needed painted were a dark color. They were dark blue. And I didn't prime it. I just sanded it down, smoothed it out. And, well, when you don't primer it a light color because your color that you're wanting the car to be is a light color, well, you get a darker shade of that color. And if your car's faded, which most are when people are trying to just match body parts like I just did, you want to paint it, your primer, the lightest color you can, which would be white. You would want to paint your primer white. Not a gloss white, of course, still made, not even made, apologize, flat. It needs to be flat white. Then when you lay on your base coat of the color you're, painting the car, it will be a lighter shade of blue, coming closer to your fade of the rest of the car. Something, just a tip. Maybe that'll help somebody in their next project. Good luck.